Solving business problems demands thinking, a willingness to redefine goals, and an acceptance of solutions that manage rather than eliminate problems. If you are like most problem solvings, your ability to think clearly, logically, and rationally is sometimes clouded by habits, unacknowledged biases, and other common traps that might trip you up when solving complicated business problems. Let's take a look at the essential elements of problem-solving traps and figure out how to avoid them. First, you need to avoid the positive outcome bias. Be aware of the symptoms of overconfidence, underestimating how long it will take to complete a task, overestimating the likelihood of something that you hope will occur, or being overly optimistic about your decisions and the answers to questions. The tendency to develop a strong sense of ownership of your own ideas and opinions might lead you to overlook potential solutions from other sources. When you're looking for solutions to problems, be as open as possible to alternatives. Don't prejudge ideas and opinions. Instead, evaluate all available information with an open mind. Some of the best options will come from unlikely places. People feel uncomfortable with doubt, uncertainty, and a lack of ready answers. This discomfort can be magnified when a problem is especially large or important. To reduce the associated anxiety, you might try to accelerate the process and grasp at unlikely alternatives. Using simple time management approaches and planning the solution process objectively will help you overcome this trap. Organizations develop a unique culture and a set of values that favor certain actions and behaviors. When working in a company with a strong set of cultural norms, it's easy to adopt popular opinions and follow the expectations of others, which is called the bandwagon effect. This effect is particularly dangerous when solving problems. Frequently, cultural norms have contributed to the problem in the first place. Be sure that you're not pressured to conform to a solution that doesn't make sense based on the bandwagon effect. And finally, a self-serving bias is anything that leads you to see data as what you want it to appear as. You might make decisions or pursue solutions that suit your personal preferences. When you start to work on a problem, ask yourself if a particular outcome, solution, or choice is especially appealing to you. If so, try to be aware of it as you proceed. Let's take a look at the do's and don'ts of problem-solving traps. First, bias. Do be aware of the symptoms of overconfidence, but don't be overly optimistic about your decisions. Other traps: do evaluate all available information with an open mind, and don't overlook possible solutions from other sources. Take a look at these additional do's and don'ts as you think about problem-solving traps.